Welcome to Dirty Dining. This is a long day of making videos. I want to go over a couple common sense things that we see every day in restaurants, whether it be Panera Bread, which is where I'm at now, or at a nice restaurant. So here's the first thing I want to talk about is cross-contamination and how it works. I have a drink. I take a sip, no problem. Server comes by, grabs your drink, takes the straw, pulls it out, and throws it away. No big deal. Problem is this, is they're not wearing gloves. So they pick up the straw, they throw it out, or they get rid of the straw, whatever, and then they go grab a fresh plate of food. They don't know where my mouth has been. They don't know where your mouth has been. They don't know where your kid's mouth has been. Okay? So what happens? Cross-contamination happens. They transfer it to your plate, you're eating, and all of a sudden, 2 days later, that same day, you're sick. Okay? This is what needs to be stopped. If you see it, stop it. Here's the other thing. Let's say you get done eating, just like I did. See? I had a bagel, cream cheese. Okay? You're eating food to mouth, right? Wipe my nose, right? Grab my plate, move it off to the side. Common thing. We all do it in restaurants. Here's the thing. What I just did is I just took my runny nose, we'll say, transferred it to the plate with dirty hands, because again, you don't know where my hands have been. I could have scratched my head. I could have scratched my underarm. I could have blown my nose, right? And I just handled the plate. Now your server comes over. They grab the plate and they walk it back to the dish pit. That's what we call it in a restaurant. It's back of house. And by the way, I am a chef, so I do know what I'm talking about. And they come out and they grab a new plate of food, and their hand goes around the rim. And what I mean by the rim is they pick up the dish like this, okay? And they bring it to your table. Well, guess what? You just got my boogies and my mouth and my hair and my underarm pits all over your plate. Does that sound pretty good? No, it does not. Okay? So when you're at restaurants, I always insist that my server, I tell them to please go ahead and get that taken care of and wash their hands and please put on gloves. All right? So you guys take care. Have a good day. Peace.